12. We'll continue exercise 7.4 today. So till question number 12 we did. Now today we'll start from question number 13. So in question number 13 the question is 1 by root under x minus 1 times x minus 2. So first we will write in integration form and make it into particular form. So integration of 1 by root under x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Now it is in product form. First we have to multiply. So root under x into x is x square, x into 2 is minus 2x, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus into minus plus 2 dx. Now this equals to integration of 1 by root under x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. Now make it into particular form by using the method of completing square. So in completing square, first we have to make it into a minus b whole square. So 1 by root under a square minus 2 into a into b is 3 by 2, because if you cut this 2 you will get 3 into x 3x. So b is 3 by 2 plus b square. Again for making the balance we have to put minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by root over, now a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square, minus it is 3 by 2 is 9 by 4 plus 2 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by root over x minus 3 by 2 whole square, 4 to 8. So minus 9 plus 8 is 1 by 4 after taking LCM 4. So dx. First we have to take the LCM 4. So it is minus 9, 4 into 2 is 8, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So it is minus 1 by 4. So this equals to integration of 1 by root over x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square dx. We know that the formula of integration of 1 by root under x square minus a square dx is log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. Now put the formula. So integration of this is log x minus 3 by 2 plus root under x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus c. Now if you simplify this you will get this. Again if you factorize this you will get this. So it is log x minus 3 by 2 whole square, not whole square, plus root under it is x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 13. Now next is question number 14. Question number 14 is 1 by root under 8 plus 3x minus x square. 1 by root under 8 plus 3x minus x square. Now first we will write in integration form, then convert it into particular form. 1 by root over 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by minus x square plus 3x plus 8 is in root dx. Now take out minus common. Integration of 1 by root under minus common x square minus 3x minus 8 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by root under minus, now apply the completing square method. First we have to make it into a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 into a into b. A into b, it is also 3 by 2 plus b square minus b square minus 8 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over minus a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square this is minus 9 by 4 minus 8 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over, this is minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now take LCM. LCM is 4. This is 9 minus 32 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root under minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square here is also bracket minus 9 minus 32 is minus 41 divided by 4 dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by, now multiply, so minus into minus is plus, so we will write 41 by 4 first. So 41, the square root of 41 is root 41, square root of 4 is 2, it is square, then minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Now the formula of integration of 1 by root under a square minus x square dx is sin inverse x by a plus c. So this equals to sin inverse x is x minus 3 by 2, a is root under 41 by 2 plus c. So this equals to, now take LCM, sin inverse 2x minus 3 by root under 41 plus c, because denominator cancel. So now this is the answer of question number 14. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.